everyone out there in tamed artistry land. It's me, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, bringing you guys a very special video. And yes, we have a special guest on this channel. And on top of that, we are in a totally different setting because this is not the house with that gray wall. We are actually at work today.
Yes.
So we are working and filming this at the same time. But the part that makes this whole video special, let alone the fact that I'm at my second home, because if I'm not at home, I'm here.
I know, right?
But I'm sharing this moment with my sister. This is Paulette. This is who I'm always talking about since you guys hear me talk about her all the time.
Yeah.
We are actually bringing you guys a very special video because this is actually about makeup. And this is actually going to be technically a Monday Makeup Madness video that will air on a Monday. But this particular brand that we're talking about is called, how you pronounce
Mora.
it? Mora. We've been trying to figure that out for the longest. Was it Mora, Miore? But it's called Mora. And
she feels like that.
honestly,
Mora.
I will say that I'm just going to throw this out here. This is probably the same quality, if not skosh better than NYX. And that's a lot to say.
Don't get mad at us. Don't get
I'm
mad
just
at
saying
us.
we still
Don't
love
get
NYX.
mad.
I still love NYX. I still get my eyeliner, my brows. It's still NYX. I'm not cheating, but there are certain things I am going to cheat on you guys with. And where? Not only that, let's talk about this. What other beauty supply carries something like this?
Oh, and it's not just about it. It's about
Oh.
the fact that this Mora Discover package, this palette.
Do y'all see all these colors?
No, do you see the pigment of these colors?
I'm wearing it now. Not this palette, but I'm gonna show you guys the palette in a minute. But the palette that I'm wearing is much smaller, but this,
Is life.
you're getting shadows, you're getting 3 highlighters plus a blush. Even if the blush is not your color, you can still use it as eyeshadow. You can utilize it with anything. But this is like Sephora quality in a beauty supply. Do you understand that?
You don't get that anywhere.
Anywhere. So, oh yes, and they also have a glow kit.
Hold on, we want to do that one last. Let's save the best for last.
Yeah, because I just found out something interesting. I bought, you know, it's bad when you buy stuff and you don't read what it actually says until right now. I just actually read.
But
what,
I read it first, so I already knew. That's why I said read it.
it's highly interesting. But this is another palette that they have. This is actually from their Dream series. And they have 2 of them. So they have Daydreams, which is this one, and it's filled with a lot of beautiful daytime colors. And it also comes with a mirror, so that's a plus, especially if you're a makeup artist or even if you're not a makeup artist.
Just a practicing one or a learning one. Intro,
Anything.
intermediate, or advanced.
It's
This is
really
awesome.
it's really good to have everything that you need all in one. So you got a mirror and you got your eyeshadows
And
boom,
you're on.
You're good to go. So that's the Daydream palette.
I like it, this one.
And this is the Stargazing palette. So 9 times out of 10 that these are all nighttime colors. And look at all of this. So the outside should definitely inspire you guys to be like, yes, I need that. So check out those colors. It's tons of blues, greens, tons of pinks, and even some fuchsias, some gold. Come on now. Yes.
I don't think I've seen anything this
And also,
pigmented in a very long
I'm
time.
wearing their lip gloss right now, and it literally feels like heaven. It doesn't feel sticky. I feel like my lips are actually moisturized. But back to this palette. This is the Fearless Heart palette. I love the detail about this palette. I love the whatever they decide, whoever's their design,
The
part
artistry, the
part of their
accents,
design
the
team,
design, they did this.
they're on it.
Yes, I love the colors. I love the cohesion of each and every color, how the patterns lay.
Yes.
This is really big. This is awesome.
And so these are the colors. That pink, this pink right here though.
That's my favorite color.
Like, I don't even like pinks like that, but I'd give her a whirl. Oh, I touched it. I'd give her a whirl. I like that.
And this is a tester. This is actually not
Right.
one of the
So
ones you have to buy.
so
this
what?
is a tester.
So this is actually look how pigmented that is.
That's awesome.
Now the next one that we have, which is Little Fairy Tales.
Yeah.
Little Fairy Tales is actually the one that I'm wearing currently right now. and it just looks so, doesn't it look so cute? I really wish they would have made this one fall colors, because technically every color in here is more fall like, but it's cute. I like the fact that it's called Little Fairy Tales.
Well, it's called Little Fairy Tales, and it has these beautiful fall colors on the outside. But on the inside, it's what Disney is made
Look,
of.
isn't that not the cutest? So what I have on right now is I have on Hero, Fairyland, and I have Wishbone in my inner tear ducts. So literally, like, all those three colors is really what made this eye look today. Can't get no better than
gorgeous.
that. And the last one would be Sand Castles in the Sky. And this particular one is definitely got some under the sea themes going on, especially it has like a little mermaid in the corner. And look at all those colors. Yep. And then the best part about this particular one, this one is actually the one that has more of the like the metallic, the shimmers in it. So if you're a metallic kind of girl, you'll definitely love these.
Ready?
Yes. Now, they also make blushes. So I'm going to show you 3 blushes, and Paulette's going to show you guys 3 blushes. So the ones that I got is Sunflower Beauty, if I can get that out my mouth.
And then I have Berry Flirty.
Oh, that's pretty. Sorry.
I know, right?
Look, sorry. And then I have Fiery Lover. I think this one's dark.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Cheeky Romance.
And then I have Passion Blossom.
And then Sweet Teas. Let's show them the colors.
Yes. So my Sunflower Beauty looks like this.
Berry Flirty. With mirror. Peep the mirror.
Yes. You know, I never noticed that it does have a mirror.
Mm-hmm.
And I like the fact that the artwork goes all the way inside.
Yes, it's really
So
good.
that's an even bigger plus. Passion Blossom.
Cheeky Romance. I love this artistry on this.
Then the last one for me is Fiery Lover. This is the one that I said looks dark, and it is. It's a pretty
Sweet
dark.
Teas. Yes.
Very, very pretty.
Beautiful.
Y'all sleeping on beauty supply. Just because Sephora and Ulta make all those wonderful brands, which I don't sleep on because I still buy, but you guys have been sleeping on the beauty supply, because the beauty supply game has turned up notches. And trust and believe, I will be doing another get ready with me type of video using nothing but beauty supply products, because this whole face is brought to you from the beauty supply. Just saying.
So we're not gonna put all the concealers, but we're gonna let them see the ones.
Oh yes. So this is the Mora concealer. This is actually this is actually a waterproof concealer. Now, let me tell you about this concealer, because I used it today. The one reason why I like this is because it is the duplicate to the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. And if you're out there in the makeup world, or you're a makeup lover, you know that Shape Tape is life and a half. So for me to tell you that you can come to your local beauty supply, or better yet, if you're in Texas, just come down to Hey Beauty, because we got it. And if you need a refresher course of how to get here, it's 700 North Clark Road, Duncanville, Texas, 75116.
Mm-hmm.
What's our phone number again?
972-296-2540.
There you go. So that's just a refresher course if you needed help how to get here.
And just a reminder, that is the Mega Waterproof Concealer.
Yes.
Mega Waterproof.
The only thing is, I will say this, they are limited on colors, and so I'm hoping that they back in the lab cooking up some more colors.
Their colors mix well.
They do.
Also, their concealers actually can also be almost full coverage, so you have to be really careful on how you're using it, because like I'm not a makeup queen. That's not what I do. If I need makeup, this is why I'm bugging. I'm like waking her up,
right,
get that done. So I'm just letting you know, as far as it goes with makeup, like I know how to put on concealer when my allergies are awful, but that's about it.
It's definitely,
but it actually can do a full cover.
It can cover.
Mm-hmm.
Just want to let you guys know. Now these I just tried. This is their creamy concealer. Okay, so now I can tell y'all what this is compared to. This is compared to the NARS creamy concealer.
Wow.
So just in case, if you're out there, just know you don't have to go spend $32 on a good concealer, when Mora
has many.
everything you need.
So I really did like this about it. I've definitely never been a brow person.
Say
They
have brow gel.
And it's in colors.
Where am I? I don't know where I'm going with some purple eyebrows,
but I'm gonna want to put this on.
But I'm going to figure this out.
She don't wear her color, but I do, so I can see this.
So, and then on top of that, so that's the best part. So any person that has dyed their hair red, purple, and you want your brows to match, like we have blue. This is not gel liner. These are for your eyebrows.
Eyebrows.
And they're highly pigmented, so they do have
oh yeah, let me open this.
They do have a display to show you exactly how, like,
these are testers that we're showing you, so you're able to get your little Q-tip while you're in the store. You guys, yeah.
I can't wait.
Yeah. And just for those of you who are not into the highly colored, you know, we still got you.
We still keep it normal.
We still keep it normal. We still keep it normal. There's even black. Although I don't really know who's gonna wear black.
I'm not even gonna try it.
Yeah. But actually they don't have black. They have a very dark brown, which is great.
Yes. So
and that's it.
So definitely awesome.
So
like I said, I do have on their not their lipstick. I have on their lip gloss, and I'm wearing 21. Well, that's not 21, but this is what their
I'm wearing
glosses
nothing yet because I'm gonna play in something.
Yeah, she's not wearing theirs yet. But I wanted to see what their glosses look like, and they feel really good. Like, they don't feel sticky. You know how you get a good, like, even a high-end lip gloss can definitely feel sticky.
What's cool is the gloss is called Gloss Affair lip gloss. So I don't know if you getting any of this yet, but everything this is like a romance novel that's been based into a actual product, a cosmetic product. They've made a romance novel.
It sounds sex related.
It sounds so.
Like they get
it's foreplay.
Look, they getting some over there at Moray. I think that's why they stuff is good. They getting some over there.
So we just got these testers in. Nobody's actually had a opportunity.
They haven't had their lips on it. Well, except for me, I just used this.
So we're going to.
But you see, you're feeling what I'm feeling, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like, it doesn't feel sticky. It's very, I don't know what to call it, but it's that. Whatever that is, they have it. That essence.
Well, they've taken moisture.
Because it feels very moisturized.
A pigmented lip gloss, and this is a gloss. But look.
It's very pretty. Like, do you understand? Like, this is just a gloss. Look how it, like, shapes your lips and make it all put. They doing
and it's filled them out. Look, they did that.
Mora, y'all doing stuff. Y'all cooking up stuff. Y'all trying to make babies out here in America.
That's what this affair is all about. And they have so many colors. Just you might need to watch. Yeah. And it goes on.
So yes, and they have eyeshadow. They have single eyeshadows. I haven't used the single ones yet.
So this is called Lucent. Okay, eyeshadow cream. So Lucent. Also pigment as well. Very beautiful colors.
Yes, highly pigmented.
Once again, here we go with my favorite color.
Pink.
Anything pink. And then they have loose control pigment as well,
which I did not pick up because I knew I was going to be out of some money. So, 9 times out of 10, I'll be in some of that. Why would you show me this on camera?
It's my job.
I'm about to be out of some money again.
Just, to kind of get an understanding, there are a total of...
It's more than 12.
24 colors.
I was like, it's more than 12.
It's 24 colors. 24. So, I'm just, look. It's good.
Okay, so
this is coming to an end of an era for us. They also have lipsticks, you guys.
I'm sorry,
I want you to see those as well.
I wish we could keep chatting, and
we want you guys to come in and see the rest of this directly in person, and the only way to do that is to come by and see us. They also didn't leave out the fact that you need to keep your skincare in check. They also have a peel and everything. So You guys, thank you so much for joining in today. It's wonderful to meet all of you guys. I love my sissy here. You treat her right and get her to 4,000 because there's a gift in that for somebody.
3 people. So, and we're always going to do this ending even though we're not at home. But if this video was to you guys liking, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Make sure you hit that bell at the top to be notified when I, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, drops another video. And until we meet again, my Tame Raiders, bye.